Let's go! Hey, you already know it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom, and welcome back to another edition of Get Into the Dash and the Cash. Nah, you know I'm just getting with you. I'm your favorite marketer in the business, teaching about how to actually be successful as independent creators across this platform. So if you do not follow my channel, I think you should right now. Click the little button. There's two platforms that I'm really banging out in 2021 that are going to be insane. And this video right now is for what do I think is going to be the hottest upcoming platform and better than OnlyFans. I think it's honestly going to be better than OnlyFans, mostly because I've been talking to them for about a year, and I've got to put my little 2 cents in after working and making so much money with creators on OnlyFans. I told them what I thought was going to be the hottest stuff, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? You feel me? And because of that, they've been, I'm not going to say it was because of me, but, I'm part of it. I'm like the little dude on the outside, like, hey, you should try that. You should try that. But even themselves as creators, it's a platform built from creators, for creators, which I think is one of the most powerful things. And what we're going to do is we're going to hop into the computer. I'm going to show you the platform, and I think you should join it today. You already know I got the link in the bio. And I'm going to be teaching on it as well very soon and creating that whole system to show you exactly what it takes to be successful on multiple platforms. One of the biggest differences it does that OnlyFans doesn't is it helps you provide fans for yourself. And the second biggest thing that it's going to do that OnlyFans does not is when you share other creators, you're going to automatically get paid for your fans moving over to other creators, which is powerful. And you already know, they're not going to dust you on that 5% and take it away from you like OnlyFans did, because OnlyFans is disrespectful to take that away from people. So their competition are going to come here because people want to help promote and build a business within this niche of this grand oasis of independent content creators. So I'm glad you took the time to watch this video. I'm actually going to show you a brief little overview of the platform and the page I started. I don't really promote on there because I promote OnlyFans training and marketing with Dom and stuff like that. But after going through it, looking at all their updates and what they're going to do, I already know they're going to be better than OnlyFans for sure because they're providing so much more value in their content creators themselves. They're not just here for the money, but they're here to change lives and make content creators full-time income creators. And I know that's their most important part. So let's get in my computer right now. Let me show you an overview of it. Let's go. So look at me. I'm actually in the dashboard of my iFans. I didn't tell you what it was, but it's called iFans. There's a big difference that I know that iFans is going to be making across this platform. One, I've barely even posted on this platform. I have 6 likes already and 28 followers, and I haven't promoted it at all because them themselves are going to help you promote, which I believe is very powerful for new creators and even more powerful for high-end creators who already have a brand. So let's talk about this. I haven't really even posted anything, 2 different texts, and I already got 5 comments. People actually messaging me, oh, iFans is so what up? Can't wait because, I know this guy as well. Is really cool. So let's like my own stuff. I guess I'm conceited, huh? That's what that means. No, I'm just kidding. But here's the platform that I really think is going to take over, and it's really just now getting started, and it's best for you be in the door now before it is gone and already moving, and it's going to take its wave just like OnlyFans. I truly believe it. They have some great connections that are going to be promoting this, and you can get in it early before there's thousands of creators and fans actually competing, which will give you an advantage, 1, with knowledge, and 2, with experience, which really does something that other people can't replace. So they're just getting their lives going recently. But the most powerful thing about their lives is when you go live on their platform, they're going to allow you to also go live to all the fan bases across all platforms, which will allow you to grow across their fan base. I really look like this is going to be like a dope YouTube between Instagram platform that's really going to make an extreme amount of money because you're allowed to follow people, but not necessarily follow their content that you have to pay for. So that really makes it a cool advantage. It's it makes it sweeter. We do a lot of strategies for OnlyFans, and I know if this strategy was on OnlyFans, we would be destroying the nation, but they don't have it. So right now I'm telling you, go down below, click on the link, start your account right now, and get in before it blows up, because I promise you I will definitely be pushing this platform to the top as well as a creator. And the people that I've gotten to talk to who works for iFans, they're amazing. They really know what's going on here. So this is just the beginning. So make sure you get in now, click on it, start your profile, and you know what? Begin your journey to be successful. Let's go.